Hi guys, welcome to Say Shadow. So today um we'll be doing a revision on locus. Some they call it locus, and some they call it construction. So today we'll be revising the question from June 2019 paper 2. June 2019 paper 2, number 5. Right. So in order to do all the construction or the locuses, you should have your mathematical set, your ruler, pencil, and other necessities, right? So um, the question said, answer the whole of this question. So I forget to tell you something. After watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So the question 5 said, answer the whole of this question on plain space below. Use ruler and compasses only for all construction and show clearly all the construction lines, axes, and all the construction should be done on a single diagram. I said in order to do all the locuses, you should have the locus instruments. Right. So let's now start our question. The question say that triangle ABC, already this triangle ABC is unknown since it's not displayed. We want to display it by the method of constructions. So triangle ABC is such that AB is equals to BC is equals to 7. Since AB is equals to BC is equals to 7, which means the length AB and length BC are equal by the length 7 centimeters. And ABC, the angle at B, that's why that reflex pointed the point B, which means the angle is at B. So ABC is equals to 120 degrees. Then construct on the blank space on page 10, but we are not using page 10. As you see, I'm using my white bond paper. Then construct the blank space on page 10, the triangle ABC. So we have to attack this question before doing all the locuses. We have to attack the first part. How to attack the first part? The first part said ABC, triangle ABC says that AB is equals to BC. So we have to write the first letter or the first length, AB. We have to write AB. You should have a ruler. So for drawing AB, when drawing AB, you have to draw first 7 centimeters. Since the question said 7 centimeters, you have to draw 7 centimeters. Please, when drawing the first line, don't draw near the margin or near the end of the paper. Why? Because you don't know the direction of your triangle ABC. So you have to draw the first line approximately nearly to the center. Right, so I'm drawing it here. First line 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. My face 7 centimeters. This is face 7 centimeters. But this 7 centimeters is AB. It's AB. So you have to write A, then write B, which is 7 centimeters. And when drawing all the locuses, please, your pencil should be sharp. in order to produce the accurate axis, right? So AB is equal to 7 centimeters, but you are also given that BC is also 7. But before drawing the line BC, because you don't know the direction of the line BC, it's either BC can be either this direction, can be either this direction, can be either this direction, can be either this direction. So first thing you have to draw, or you have to construct that angle, which is ABC 120 degrees. How to construct 120 degrees? So when constructing 120 degrees, first thing you should know that the angle 120 degrees and the angle 60 degrees, they share 180 120 degrees and the 120 degrees and 60 degrees, they share 60 degrees. Since 120 degrees and 60 degrees, they share 180 degrees. So you have to draw. First, you have to open. You have to open your canvas at any point or at any angle. After opening at any angle, at any radius, like I want to open this radius, then you have to click here. You have to click here. So you have to point the point B. So when pointing the point B, you have to plot then draw. Then draw the diagram like this one. The diagram like this one. Right. Please, after using this diameter, don't change the radius. Don't change the radius. So we want to find the angle ABC. But you know that 120 degrees, ABC is also 120 degrees. But 120 degrees is inside the triangle. Is inside the triangle. So since 120 degrees is inside the triangle, we have to attach here. You have to attach here. Since we want 120 degrees inside, we want to attach here, outside. But if you want 120 degrees outside, you can attach this side. You see, so which means since you we attach it outside the half circle, which means 120 degrees inside and 60 degrees is outside. So this is also how to construct 120 degrees if you're asked to do so. So we have to draw from B to C, but the question said BC is equal to 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters from B, and passes through the point of intersection of a half circle and in that angle 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters, right? So this is the point. This is point C. This is point C. But the question said construct triangle ABC, that AB is equal to BC is equal to 7 centimeters. ABC is equal to 120. Since it's a triangle, we have to join A and C. Since it's a triangle, don't forget to join. You lose some of the marks. So let's now join the point A and the point C. Pointing A and C. So actually, they can ask you the length AC. Since we are not asked to do so, let's ignore. For now, let's move on. So this is 7 centimeters also here. This is 7 centimeters also here. Then this one said is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Right. So we are done with part A, item 1. Let's move on part A, item 2. The question said bisector of ABC. The bisector of ABC. If you are asked to bisect ABC, you have to write the perpendicular bisector of the point at point B. So the perpendicular bisector at B is when you have to construct at point B. This is point B. This is point B. So at point B, you have to bisect. How to bisect? You have to attach your compass at point B, then open at n radius. Open at n radius. You can open this radius, but your radius should not be too long. That should be extend out of the paper, but it should be at minimum like this one. Like this one. We have to draw some arcs since it's perpendicular bisector. Some arcs. Some arcs like this one. Like since you want to bisect like from this point, you can actually change the radius at any point. But the question that question is different from the question when conducting 120 degrees and 60 degrees. So we also have to open at n point or at n angle like this one, then this one, then this one. Then we have to write. We have to draw the line which join from B until it reaches the point of intersection. This point of intersection. Point of intersection like this one. Draw a straight line. So don't forget to number your solutions. This is item 2. Item 2. So it's item 2. Let's now move on. Let's now move on. Item 3. Item 3 said construct on the blank space on page 10 the perpendicular bisector of side BC. If it's perpendicular bisector, you have to draw 90 degrees. That's perpendicular. You know that the perpendicular can be also called normal. So the line AB is served as a tangent and the perpendicular bisector is the line which divides A and B equally. So we have to divide. How to divide? We are tackling this question. Item 2, perpendicular bisector of side BC. BC is here. This is the BC. BC is here. BC is here. BC. So you have to write, draw the perpendicular bisector. We have to open canvas at any point. Then draw the arc. Then also draw up the arc up and down like this one. Since you want to check the point of intersection and draw the line which attaches the point of intersection of the upper and the lower like this one. Since the point of intersection is here and here, we have to join. Let's now join the two. Joining. Right. Right, so you have to number your solutions. This is perpendicular bisector of side BC, which is A item 3, which is A item 3, A item 3. Right, sorry for moving this, you see. Right, so let's move on part B. The part B says point G is on the same side of AB as C, and it says that AD is 7 centimeters. A and BAD is 45 degrees. You consider point D. We don't know where the point D is exactly located, but we want to use this information in order to draw the point D. So the point D is on the same side of AB, the same side of AB, the same side of AB, the same side of AB as C, same side of AB as C, which means this point is somewhere up there, right? And it's such that A to D, and it's such that from point A to D is how many centimeters? 7 centimeters. And BAD, and you are given the angle. This angle will guide us the direction from where D is located. We know that from A, we don't know D, the direction where he is, where he or she, I can say he or she like a person. So I don't know where D is located. Can be located this side or this side or this side. So this angle given by BAD, BAD is 45 degrees. So we have to draw 45 degrees at the point BAD, at point A. We have to draw 45 degrees. That 45 degrees will guide us the direction where D is located. So how to draw 45 degrees? First thing, you have to draw to bisect 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Let's now bisect 90 degrees. Sorry guys for the noise, and my camera was misbehaving. So we are about to draw the perpendicular bisector of A, the perpendicular bisector of, sorry, the angle of BAD, which is 45 degrees. So we have to draw 90 degrees first. We're drawing 90 degrees. Then we already drew the first axis. Then we have to drag this point and open this radius at end point, like this one. Then without changing the radius, we have to click this point here, and mark the axis, like this one. Right. So after drawing, we have to draw the perpendicular, which is the 90-degree angle, Right. So after drawing this one, we have to draw 45 degrees. How to draw 45 degrees? We have to bisect from this 90 degrees here to form 45 degrees. So you will open your radius at end point. So you open your point at end radius like this one. Then mark here and mark here. Then after removing your compass, you can open again at a radius. Then attract the point, this one, and open it in radius like this one. This one is so flexible, it's too flexible. Like this one. Then attract another point here. Then you have to join the point of intersection and the point A. The point of intersection and the point A, like this one, like this one, like this one. Right. So which means this angle is 45 degrees and this one is 45 degrees. This one is 45 degrees. Since our question said point D is on the same side of ABSC, and it said that AD is equal to 7 centimeters and BAD is 45. Say this 45 degrees. Then from this to one is 7 centimeters. We have to measure 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters from 0 up to 7. From 0 up to 7, which is here. So the point is BAD, which is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. 45 degrees. And AD from A to D is 7 centimeters. A to D is 7 centimeters, which is here. So this is the point D, 7 centimeters. Right. Let's now move on B item 1. Construct BAD. We already done with BAD, which is 45 degrees. Then let's now move on item 2. Mark and label point D. Mark and label point D. We already marked the point 7 centimeters and label point D. Shade the region. Let's move on last part of our question. The question said shade the region inside the triangle. Shade the region inside the triangle on the same side of ABSC and on the same side of ABSC, which means the area I want to shade is on top here. Since AB is on the same side as C, which contain the points which are nearer to BC. That points that area I want to shade is nearer to BC, and that area is nearer to that one than BA, which means our region is not near to BA. That's what this one, but it's nearer to BC. So since our area is not near this one, so we are neglecting this part. Why? Because this part is nearer to AB. Then, but is nearer to BC, which means the area we should shade is that one. This is the area we should shade. Then so this is item 3. So this is how to deal with the locuses. So thank you guys for your attention and your care. Even I faced some challenges like noise and also camera problem. So thank you for your care. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe, you benefit more videos like this one. For your challenge questions, you'll be helped through these videos. So don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe so that you receive a notification for a new uploaded video. Thank you guys.